you ever stood near a railway track and wonder what's up with all those stones under and around the tracks? They're everywhere. But are they just for decoration? These stones actually play a huge role in making sure trains run smoothly and safely. Stick around and let's break it all down. Hey everyone, welcome back to Lands on Trains. Alright, first things first, these stones are called track ballast. They're not just randomly placed rocks. They're carefully chosen crushed stones that help stabilize the entire railway system. Without them, train tracks wouldn't last long. So why do railways need these stones? Well, here are three key reasons. 1. Support and stability. Trains are heavy. A single passenger train can carry thousands of people at once. The ballast distributes this weight and keeps the tracks steady. 2. Drainage system. When it rains, water can cause major damage to tracks, but ballast helps drain water away, preventing flooding and erosion. 3. Prevents vegetation growth. Without ballast, grass and weeds could grow between the tracks, messing with the stability and safety of the railway. So, why not just use concrete or another solid material? Great question. Well, the answer is flexibility. Trains create a lot of vibrations, and the ballast helps absorb these shocks. A solid foundation like cement would crack and break over time. Plus, repairs would be a nightmare. Here are some cool facts about railway ballast. The best stones for ballast are granite, basalt, and limestone. They're super strong and resistant to weathering. Some high-speed railways use steel of concrete slabs instead of traditional ballast, but that's a whole different story. Old worn-out ballast is often recycled for road construction or new railway projects. So next time you see a railway track, you'll know those little stones are actually working hard to keep trains running safely and efficiently. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an episode. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.